Who's this? Oh my God, a lot of people giving you money, Eden.
Really?
Oh my God, Beth, 50? Hong Kong dollar, happy birthday, Pogi. Enjoy your party, Yahoo. Oh my God. And Tita Sonia, Auntie Beth, thank you always. Yes, thank you. Kayo, no, nag-aabala pa kayo dyan, no? Sisikoy. And happy birthday, Eden. Thank you for loving Tita Sonia always. Enjoy your birthday and I missed you. I love you. Eden.
Okay.
Oh, Tita Sonia, oh, take back. Tita Beth, Tita Sonia, take back all your money.
Chloe.
Take them all back. Because he just said, okay. Tita Sonia said, happy birthday, and she said she misses you and she love you. What are you going to say?
I love you.
Can you have a look here in the camera? Tingnan mo.